Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need both devices ready and network matched before you begin. First, enable AirPlay or screen mirroring on the Roku in settings so it accepts connections. On your Mac, open Control Center or look for the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. If you don't see it, enable in Display's Preferences. Once done, click the AirPlay icon or screen mirroring and scan the list for your Roku device. Choose it. This initiates the handshake, so the devices can communicate and stream video or mirror your display. After selecting the Roku, you may be prompted to enter a PIN shown on the TV or to accept a pairing request. Do that to complete the connection. Next, decide whether to mirror your Mac display or extend it as a separate display. Use the AirPlay menu to switch. Then open System Preferences Displays and Sound to set resolution, scaling, and audio output to Roku if you want TV speakers. Make sure apps are permitted to show video, and pause any VPNs that block local discovery. To end the session, click the AirPlay icon and disconnect so your Mac returns to its normal display. If you see lag, stutter, or poor quality, lower the mirrored resolution, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, or move the router closer for better throughput. If the Roku doesn't appear, restart both devices and the Wi-Fi router, and confirm Mac firewall or security apps aren't blocking AirPlay. One key tip: temporarily disable VPNs and third-party firewalls during setup. They often prevent discovery and pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.